it's Discount Diva, and I wanted to share with you guys my Easter Dollar Tree haul. So I picked up a few items that I thought was necessary because if you don't pick them up now, you're not going to get them. So I saw these bunny pics, and I thought this was adorable. You can put them outside in little plants. You could decorate them inside the house. So cute. So I believe I picked up 2, if I am certain. Yes, I did. So adorable. Pick that up. I also picked up these cute little bunny ears for the girls. The colors are so cute because they're tie-dye. So I picked them up 1 each. And I picked up some arts and crafts for them to do. Put in the basket. We could do it on Easter. These are ceramic painting sets, and it's a little egg with the paint. And you can paint. So I picked 2 up. And I picked up some egg picks to either add to any floral arrangement or any decoration that I would like to do around the house. So I picked up the smaller one. And this is a count of 10 pieces. And I picked up 4 pieces. These are the bigger ones. So that was adorable. And I also picked up... Sorry about that. I'm doing my videos in the playroom. So if you guys see some toys or hear little sound, it's... I picked these foam shapes... little project for the girls to do where they could just decorate their bunnies, put them on the fridge. So I picked 2 up. And, oh, excuse me. And this cutesy little basket with 3 little eggs. I picked up some, I picked up some of the little carrots, but I was going back and forth with them. So I said, you know what, let me just leave them. And let's see what else I got. Oh. Since the girls like to go outside and play, I've been trying to find these hand warmers because, their hands are cold even with the gloves. So I figured they could just pop these in their hands while they're outside playing. And it says up to 10 hours of heat. So I picked this up. And then I wanted to try out this sunflower sprinklers for the garden. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think about this, if you guys have hauled these. I thought it was adorable to just add to my little section of where I'm planting my things. And I'm sorry. What else did I get? Oh, I wanted to try out these hand soaps. I've seen a lot of you guys hauling these, and this is a sparkling cranberry foaming hand sanitizers. So I picked up 2, and this is in the 8-ounce. And it says it's alcohol and dye free, and it kills 99.9% of germs, and it has essential oils. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells nice. And I like the fact that it's a foam. Oh, it's a hand sanitizer. Oh wow, I thought it was a hand soap. Look at that. Even better. We can keep these around the house. So that was it, guys. I just wanted to share some items that I found that I'm starting to pick up for Easter, and that was it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. Till next time, Discount Diva.